Ben Bucknell from Cycling Alaska. Today we're going to open these cycling gloves for mountain biking, road biking, or indoor cycling. So let's unbox these. Okay, so here's these mountain bike gloves from OOZi, and they have a sizing chart on their Amazon page, and yeah, they fit. They're true to size. I ordered slightly. I was in between sizes, so I went down, which is what they said to do, and they fit. They fit pretty good. So, all right, let's go try these on the bike.